Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I stumbled onto this other cayenne pepper tree, and these ones are much bigger and nobody is picking them. So here I am. For now I'm not going to use them right now, but what I will be doing is saving the seeds. I'm going to be saving the seeds to plant on my homestead, so that when I move in, I will be able to have everything at my disposal. Birds love these. Well, I know chickens, my childhood home, we used to have it. I don't know what happened back there. I don't know. Everybody just lost interest in certain things, so I guess nobody maintained the plants, so the trees just died out. Vegetables and all just died out. But we used to have these. These are the yellow ones. They have the red one. We had the red ones at home as a kid, and the chickens used to just pick them off the tree and eat them. So I want to try to recreate that environment where I can just go outside and harvest my food, and keep them, store them inside. That's a jackfruit tree. That right there. That right there is a jackfruit tree. The fruit trees all over the place. This is the one I know about. There's a wasp on it right now because it has blossoms, so I guess they're doing their thing. I'm gonna be picking some of these as well. Sorry, wasp. So yeah, see, these ones are bigger, and it has much more green ones on there. I'm not messing with the green ones. I'm just getting the riper ones with the matured seeds. It's raining, guys, so please ignore that dripping sound. These have a lot of seeds. Some people just take these, put them in the mouth and swallow them like pills, because they are said to have medicinal properties, but they're super spicy, as you know, cayenne pepper are. So yep, this is my cayenne pepper harvest. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Share with a friend to follow my homesteading journey. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, guys.